You know, what they're selling is this. You came from nothing. You are nothing. You're completely insignificant. You're a goo that exploded in an ape in a vast, endless, infinite universe spinning on a freaking ball at a little bit of a tilt with endless stars and other planets and things that we've never even seen before because no one's actually been there.
I tried so hard and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I tried so hard and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all, but in the end, it doesn't even matter.
I know you're out there. I can feel you now. I know that you're afraid. You're afraid of us. You're afraid of change. I don't know the future. I didn't come here to tell you how this is going to end. I came here to tell you how it's going to begin.